Learn Hindi past phrases fast. I have eaten, worked, gone, come and we have learned in
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are here to learn useful Hindi without sounding like a robot who swallowed a grammar book. Today you will learn 5 strong everyday phrases and actually enjoy it. Imagine this. You are at a dinner table, then at work, then on the road, then at the door, and finally in class feeling proud. In one short journey, you will practice.
मैंने खाया है.
Meaning, I have eaten.
मैंने काम किया है.
Meaning, I have worked.
मैं गया हूँ.
Meaning, I have gone.
मैं आया हूँ.
Meaning, I have come, and
हमने सीखा है.
meaning, we have learned. Yes, 5 phrases. No, you do not need to panic. Even your imaginary pet parrot can do this. Scene 1. The very full hero. Let's begin with food, because language learning is easier when nobody is hungry. Or at least when the vocabulary is delicious. Your friend pushes a third plate of snacks toward you. You smile with dignity, heroic self-control, and maybe a tiny bit of fear. You say,
मैंने खाया है.
I have eaten. A more dramatic version in your head is, no, noble samosa, I respect you, but...
मैंने खाया है.
Single quote. Repeat it with me.
मैंने खाया है.
Again.
मैंने खाया है.
Mini dialogue. Friend, are you hungry? You.
मैंने खाया है.
Memory trick. Rub your stomach gently and nod once. Your body says, mission complete. Your mouth says,
मैंने खाया है.
Scene 2. The busy legend. Now you leave the dinner table and enter the kingdom of emails, keyboards, and mysterious documents named final really final. Time for work. After a long day, you lean back proudly and say,
मैंने काम किया है.
I have worked. This phrase is useful when you want to sound calm, productive, and slightly offended that anyone doubted you.
मैंने काम किया है.
Mini dialogue. Boss, did you do the task? You.
हाँ, मैंने काम किया है.
Say it slowly.
मैंने काम किया है.
Funny picture for your memory. Even a lazy cat sitting on a keyboard insists, with great seriousness.
मैंने काम किया है.
Gone or come. Here comes the classic confusion. Gone and come. Do not worry. You are smarter than this tiny travel drama. If you have gone, you say,
मैं गया हूँ.
I have gone. If you have come, you say,
मैं आया हूँ.
I have come. Think of it like this. One phrase walks away, the other arrives with a suitcase and maybe asks for tea. Repeat the contrast.
मैं गया हूँ. मैं आया हूँ.
Again.
मैं गया हूँ. मैं आया हूँ.
Tiny story. First you leave the house.
मैं गया हूँ.
Later you return dramatically and ring the bell like a movie star.
मैं आया हूँ.
A silly travel dialogue. Let's make these movement phrases stick with a short funny scene. You just need to listen and picture it. Mother, where are you? You, already outside with one shoe untied.
मैं गया हूँ.
10 minutes later, you forgot your bag, your phone, and possibly your common sense. You return to the door and announce.
मैं आया हूँ.
Mother stares in silence. You whisper, yes, this has been a very short adventure. Now you say both. First.
मैं गया हूँ.
Then.
मैं आया हूँ.
We learned it together. Now let's celebrate, because language learning should include tiny victories. Preferably with dramatic music in your head. When you and others have learned something, say,
हमने सीखा है.
We have learned. This is the group victory phrase. It sounds proud, warm, and a little bit like a classroom high five. Repeat it.
हमने सीखा है.
Again.
हमने सीखा है.
Mini dialogue. Teacher, did you understand the lesson? You and your team.
हाँ, हमने सीखा है.
Funny image. Even the class parrot flaps its wings and squawks proudly.
हमने सीखा है.
Quick drill challenge. Time for a fast practice round. You answer in your head or out loud if nobody is judging you. And if they are, impress them. How do you say, I have eaten?
मैंने खाया है.
How do you say, I have worked?
मैंने काम किया है.
How do you say, I have gone?
मैं गया हूँ.
How do you say, I have come?
मैं आया हूँ.
How do you say, we have learned?
हमने सीखा है.
Bonus round. Food offered again?
मैंने खाया है.
Boss asks for proof?
मैंने काम किया है.
You left?
मैं गया हूँ.
You returned?
मैं आया हूँ.
You and your study buddy survived the lesson?
हमने सीखा है.
Conclusion and high five. You did it. And look at that, no grammar monster chased you into the forest. Today you practiced 5 useful Hindi phrases.
मैंने खाया है. मैंने काम किया है. मैं गया हूँ. मैं आया हूँ.
And
हमने सीखा है.
thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating the phrases, use them out loud, and come back for another round of practice soon. You are doing great, and yes, officially.
हमने सीखा है.